Rapidly evolving next-gen telecom networks demand advanced management tools to perform optimally and consistently deliver an exceptional user experience. Is your network management evolving as intelligently as your network? Or is it still riddled with the voluminous alarms and tickets, duplicating in multiple siloed systems within the network? Is the overall network management cost increasingly burdensome? It's time to rethink and redesign your network management strategy. From reactive to predictive, Tata Communications Transformation Services presents Neo Automata, an artificial intelligence and machine learning-based unified network management system. A zero-touch framework for predictive and cognitive operations aggregates, deduplicates and correlates alarms originating from a single source root cause, resolving multiple tickets at a time across the system. Predictive analytics and maintenance are continuously performed through an ML-based prediction engine. Leveraging the historical and daily alarm and trouble ticket data, it forecasts potential faults and eliminates them through auto-correction, both on the active and passive network. The Network Automation Platform, an integral part of Neo Automata, offers a range of ready-to-use automation use cases for network and customer operations. The Neo Automata predictive features such as AI ML-based fault predictions, predictive fault, root cause analysis recommendations, auto-correction, analytics and network topology-based multi-domain alarm correlation. Take your network management to the next level. A next-generation network operations center demonstrating up to 25% ticket reduction, 15% improved service uptime and 30% field visit optimization in real-world deployments. Future-proof your network management with advanced artificial intelligence. Transform to the next-gen network operations with TCTS Neo Automata.